Growing up in Southern California, I was taught from a young age that the ocean commanded respect. In one moment, it can go from completely calm and serene to a torrent of destructive power, as Southern California is witnessing now. I think it's human nature to think that we can control the world around us, and in some ways we forget that danger comes with this type of thinking. But the ocean will always humble us, and in a rare event, the ocean does just that, humbles us and gives us a sense of awe. With Southern California seeing record swell sizes of 15 to 20 foot faces, Katie and I couldn't pass up the opportunity to see this. So Surfline is saying that there is like a 15 to 20 foot swell right now in San Diego. So we're gonna go to the cliffs, but we're gonna go check it out and see some killer surfers out there just shredding the gnar. I have never personally actually seen waves this big before. I've surfed like 10 foot waves. I've never seen like 15, 20 foot waves. This is gonna be sick. Oh my gosh, I'm so far away and it's like barreling out there.
What are you hoping to see out there today?
A guy gets so pitted right now. Oh, like if he gets so deep, like stand up barrel, hands up, that'd be so sick. Okay, so we just got here and it is wild. People have just come from everywhere and this is crazy.
Did you see that left?
Surfers are really far out there, at least 200 yards. The camera's not going to be able to pick up how big the waves are, but they're huge. One lifeguard on a jet ski, a couple on a boat. It's pretty gnarly out there. It is so sick. Come on, guy. Come on, brother. Here's the boat, the rescue boat. Okay, let me just say, I'm new to this whole photography thing and I got some sweet photos of a surfer doing a big snap and there's like pelicans and stuff. Oh, it's so sick. Somebody just proposed over there. We literally live in a place where people propose.
I love love.
The couple that just got engaged totally look like they go to church. You know what I'm talking about? Like millennial brown boots, jeans, like hipster. Katie and I both think that gives like modern church vibes. Okay, we're going. That was super cool. Haven't done one of these vlogs in a while. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed it.